Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're diving into a super practical topic: how to use ChatGPT to create a budget or financial plan that works for you. Whether you're looking to get your finances in order, save for a big purchase, or simply manage your money better, well, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you with your financial planning. Let's jump right in. Now, first things first, before you can create an effective budget, you need to understand where you currently stand financially. This means taking a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Now, let's use ChatGPT to help analyze your current financial situation. By inputting your financial data into ChatGPT right here in this input box, you can get a clear and organized overview of your finances. This initial analysis is crucial as it sets the foundation for your entire budget. Now, let me show you how it's done. So, let's paste my prompt right here alongside the data. For instance, like a monthly income right there, going down here to the savings right over here. Okay, once I enter this prompt and then send this over, ChatGPT will then process this information and provide a detailed breakdown of your income and expenses. So let's see what it comes up with. All right, it's currently processing. All right, now here is the analysis right here, followed by a surplus calculation, then the expense to income ratio. There we go. There's the observations and recommendations right here. There we go. There are the following advices right there. There's also emergency fund, and there's the follow-up question. There we go. You can choose either for ChatGPT and planning investments or specific saving strategies. There we go. And let's go back to right here with the analysis. So here's how it broke down. Total income, 4,000. Expenses right here. There we go. Surplus calculation, 4,000 income minus 2,500. The expenses plus savings. Then 1,500. Now there are the calculations right here. Most are essentials, followed by the remaining, then savings, then discretionary or entertainment right here. Then observations, recommendations, savings rate, discretionary spending, surplus utilization. There are the list right there, and an emergency fund. So, understanding where your money is going is the first step towards taking control of your finances. Now, with this information, you can make smarter decisions about where to allocate your resources to meet your financial goals. Well, before we move on to the next segment, let's have to answer ChatGPT. Let's just say specific saving strategies. And as a bonus right here, as you can see, here's some additional advices on the following saving strategies right here. 1, build or boost your emergency fund, just like the one mentioned above. Increase retirement contributions. Okay, open a high interest savings account, start investing, and yeah, there we go. So on and so forth. Pay off any debt, save for big goals, automate savings. There we go. Diversify with alternative investments. And there's a table here with your sample for 1,500 surplus allocation plan. And there we go. Another follow-up question. Yep. And depends on you. Would you do a follow-up answer? And yep. On to the next segment. Now that you have a clear picture of your current finances, the next step is to set some financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, Just like I mentioned earlier in that segment, having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help us define these goals in a structured and achievable way. And so here's the prompt to help set realistic financial goals. Right over here. So let's say I want ChatGPT to assist me in setting realistic financial goals for the next year, for instance. Considering my current income of, for instance, like $4,000 and expenses totaling 2,300 per month. Okay, so with this prompt, once I send this over, ChatGPT can help you outline specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals, or SMART goals, that is. So let's take a look at the response. Here we go. Now, as it's currently processing right here, now first is analyze current cash flow, then define your financial goals right here, like build or boost emergency fund, pay off high interest debt, if any. There are midterm goals for 6 months to 1 year, specific purchase, invest for growth, long term, plan for a large future goal. Then this budget breakdown right there, the allocation and amount with the table right here. And there's also a monitor progress and a follow up question. Okay, so what ChatGPT asked me here, like to assist with setting up specific savings or investment strategy. Let's say setting up a specific savings right over here. And then there we go. Here's the follow up. Number one right here. They're step by step. Define your savings goals, choose savings accounts. There we go. There's additional step by step. There we go. Automate savings contributions. They're optimize savings, adjust as you go. And yep, so on and so forth. Another follow up question. So, yeah, having these goals in place gives you a roadmap to follow and helps you stay motivated as you work towards improving your financial health. See how helpful and very structured ChatGPT is right here. See, there we go. A bit more detailed and more in depth with the advices and stuff. And yep. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. With your financial goals in place, it's time to create a detailed monthly budget. This is where you allocate your income towards different expenses and savings to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. A well structured budget helps you prioritize your spending and ensures that you're not overspending in any category. Let's see how ChatGPT can assist us in crafting this budget. So, simple as that. Here's the prompt we'll be using to generate a comprehensive monthly budget plan right here. There we go. A bit more information down here, going from the monthly income down here with the financial goals, like saving $5,000 for an emergency fund, paying off $2,000 in credit card debt within a year. Right now, by providing all this information, ChatGPT can create a tailored budget that aligns with your financial goals. Now, let's input this right now and see the results. All right, so here is the monthly budget plan, fixed expenses, discretionary expenses, savings and debt repayment goals right here. There's a table of budget allocation. There's also key adjustments for goals. Go a bit more details there. There's also steps for success. Track expenses, automate savings, reevaluate periodically. All right, there we go. Simple as that. Look at this budget right here. Let's start from top. As you can see right here, every detail here and there, With the list and then the table down below, ChatGPT has allocated your income efficiently, ensuring that you have enough set aside for your savings and debt repayment while covering all your necessary expenses. See right there? There's also additional sections right here. And yeah, this detailed budget plan makes it easier to manage your money and stay disciplined. You can see exactly where every dollar is going, which helps prevent overspending and keeps you focused on your financial objectives. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT to create a budget or financial plan can simplify the process and provide you with personalized insights to manage your money better. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and being willing to adjust as needed.